Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, and welcome to a day in the life. So today is Saturday. It's about 11:30 right now. I think it's a little bit later just because I did film my morning routine this morning. So yeah, I'm kind of starting this vlog right after I'm done filming that. I will insert some clips though so that way you guys can kind of see how the morning went. But yeah, so I think today should be a really good day. I know Devin and I, we might take Maya, our dog. She's like laying on the floor right here. We might take her swimming. I think we're gonna go grab some lunch. I have some errands to run, and we're gonna make a really good dinner, which I'm so excited about. We meant to make it last night, but I'm like, it'll be perfect to make today anyways, just because like I'm vlogging today. So hopefully that turns out really good. You guys will have to see what we make. A little outfit of the day, I just have on this white tank. This was actually in my Shein haul. I really like it. Just like so simple, but it's so comfy. And then I have on these shorts. I've never worn these before. This is my first time wearing them. They're from 30 Years, Katie's brand. But they are so thick and comfy, and the waistband is like really nice too. So overall, I'm like really happy with these. I love them, and obviously I love the color. And then I just curled my hair, and I have my hair up in like a little scrunchie too. Yeah, so right now Devin is finishing up some work. I'm just going to probably start editing that video while I'm waiting for him. And then we are going to leave and go do some running around and go grab some food because I'm hungry. So I just dropped Devin off at the bank. He said it would take like 45 minutes. So what do? I get an iced coffee. Right now I'm sitting in line at Starbucks. I think I'm gonna try something different. I think I'm gonna get, I've seen people get matcha lattes, and then they do a vanilla sweet cream cold foam and peppermint, which I didn't even know Starbucks carried peppermint year round, but peppermint sounds pretty good. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna get, hopefully.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Can I have your grande iced matcha green tea latte with the vanilla sweet cream cold foam? And then could I also add 2 pumps of peppermint to that?
Yeah, of course.
Awesome.
Hello.
Hi.
6 car.
Thank you. Oh,
Nice car.
I appreciate it.
You be pushing this?
What do you mean? Oh, no, I have before, but not very often. Okay, that was weird. He was nice. In the bank parking lot now. Oh, clearly. Perfect setup here. But I'm gonna put my camera away here in a second because it's getting hot, and I don't want this whole vlog to be me riding around the car waiting for Devin. So, I just wanted to do a little taste test. But I already took a sip. I have to take a sip, you know, as soon as I get my coffee. Oh, if you're looking for something from Starbucks that's not coffee, I would check this out. But I'm gonna put my camera away and just watch some YouTube videos and drink this while I wait for Devin. And then we'll grab some lunch, hopefully, because your girl is hungry. So we just finished lunch, and you guys, it was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
What would you rate it? 1 through 10? Ooh, my bad.
That's fine. Shit, like
I would give it a 10 out of 10. I got the burger. You got
10
like
out of
breakfast.
10?
Yeah.
I would say like an 8 out of 10.
Okay, 8 out of 10.
Let's talk about this in the car. It's hot.
8 out of 10 only because the price.
Exactly.
Yeah, it was pretty expensive.
Greasy as hell, but it's good.
It was greasy. It was not healthy, but it was good. We're on the way now to go get Maya because we're going to the dog park. We're gonna go let her swim. I think it's gonna be so fun. It's been like, how long has it been since she's been to a dog park? It's been like
a year.
Since before COVID.
Yeah, actually probably like 2 years.
Because then it was winter.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's probably been like a year and a half, 2 years probably actually at this point. So she's gonna be really excited. Yeah, bad dog parents, but I think she's gonna be excited, but she's just like a little weird around dogs. Like, she's not aggressive. She's just like, she's awkward. and she doesn't like, she plays nicely, but she just has a hard time playing. I don't know, you guys will see, I'm sure, because she'll probably be acting awkward at the dog park. But we're gonna go pick her up and go have some fun.
Oh shit.
There's a lot of doggies.
She better be crazy.
Hey, you gotta be good.
You gonna be good? Sit down. Sit down.
Oh.
Wait.
Maya got her turn playing at the dog park, so someone else's turn since it's such a nice day out. Gotta let the big bunny play in the grass. Hello. So we're finally done running around for the day. We are back home for the night. We got some smoothies, except we already drank them. I forgot to show you guys. But it's a really good day today so far. It's only about 5:30, but as you guys saw, Devin's scooter is also in the background. That's what that is, if any of you guys are wondering. But we got both of the girls outside. Obviously, Maya went to the dog park. We went out to lunch. We've done a lot today, so it's been a really good day so far. I'm about to start cooking dinner.
Keep your arms strong, Coach.
I don't call me that.
Alright, go ahead. Put it over there.
Alright, I got my own station to man.
We're not done. You don't have your own station, man. You have to man every station. You're the main cook, you said.
No, I did not say
You're the
that.
line cook.
I just said.
You're the main chef. I try to say I'm the cook. You said you're the assistant. You said no, you're not.
I said I'm not the assistant. I didn't say I was the main cook. I'm just not the assistant.
No, there's only two options though.
How come I can like a drop of juice out of wine?
Let me get it. The assistant does that. The main cook is the top.
No, I don't want that. Very much too much cabbage in there. And we have dinner's going. We have the chicken and pineapple. You guys, our girl didn't work, so we had to cook in a skillet, unfortunately. But we've got some cabbage, and then we've got some corn going.
I'll be surprised if you can.
Alright, our food looks so good, but Devin said that the chicken, you want rice?
Yeah.
Devin said that the chicken is spicy. Like I said, I've never made this before. I just used the recipe from online, and then I added pineapple. I'm nervous now.
It's hot, man.
We are gonna go play a round of hide and go seek. My hair looks crazy. Upstairs, Devin's downstairs. He's gonna come up in a second. Since he can't walk, I'm gonna be the one to hide. I think Maya likes finding Devin better. But, you know, mommy's gotta step into play. So I'm gonna go, I'm gonna hide, and Devin is going to make her count, and then she can find me. We decided to move back downstairs. There's not as many hiding spots down here, but we're gonna see. I think she's upstairs waiting. There she is. Oh my god. I think I'm just going to hide behind our couch there. She's gonna get that literally so easy, but we're gonna try it.
I let her know.
Okay.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she?
around because she doesn't really like finding me. She likes finding Devin, so he's gonna be downstairs hiding. I have her upstairs so that way she cannot see. And she is ready.
Ready? Okay.
That was fun. Maya,
Okay, I
that was fun.
can't hide the same.
I know. Maya just was not excited as she normally is. But it was fun. I think Devin and I had more fun than she did, but we love playing hide and go seek. There's 3 of us. It's a good time. Like I said, if you have a dog, I 10 out of 10 recommend teaching them that because it's very entertaining. Look at this snack that Devin just made for us. They look so good. It's like 10 o'clock right now. He tried making these before, but we didn't have pepperoni. But basically what they are, they're like the little like round pieces of bread. Then we put pizza sauce and mozzarella and pepperonis on some. We did like pepperoni and cheese. But basically they're like mini bite-sized pizzas. They're mini bite-sized pizzas. And I'm so excited because we're gonna eat these and we're putting on a movie right now. I don't know what movie we're gonna watch. We typically like scary movies. So we're probably gonna find like a scary movie to watch and eat the little pizza bites. I'm probably just gonna wrap up the vlog here just because honestly we're not doing anything for the rest of the night. We are just going to
Get it.
You got coffee. She's not allowed in the kitchen when we're making food. And she always tries to sneak in here. Look, she's gonna hide right there and try to look. She's so good, but so bad. She's so smart, and that's the problem. But we're gonna eat our little late night snack and just watch a movie or watch Criminal Minds because that's like our go-to favorite show. So thank you guys so much for watching this day in the life. Hopefully it was enjoyable. So if you made it this far, once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye guys.